We would like to thank you for taking part in this study. Your participation is invaluable to us and is greatly appreciated. The study did have another purpose than that described in the information letter. The goal was to study the influence of the law and political philosophy on people's psychological needs and creativity when negotiating cultural conflict and the type of outcomes generated. The type of framework for negotiation that you were exposed to in the experiment manipulated the different way in which society approaches equality rights discourse. By manipulating these variables, we will be able to see the extent to which the interaction between the law and political philosophy influences and constraints the growth or emergence of constructive relationships measured through your psychological needs, creativity, and ability to arrive at joint outcomes. Such information may help lawmakers and drafters write laws in ways that better reflect the increasingly complex reality of human rights disputes in Canada, and encourage creative problem solving. The objective of the priming was to have you treat the right being violated in the experimental scenario as a sacred value. Sacred values are values that are implicitly or explicitly treated as possessing infinite or transcendental significance. Because of the methodology used in this study, it was necessary to withhold certain information at the beginning of the experiment. This was done in order to avoid biasing your responses prior to your participation. In particular, we wanted you to believe that you were actually going to enter into a negotiation. It was important for us to make you invested in the idea of an actual negotiation in order to elicit responses that were as close to reality as possible.